Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I had my hair straightened for a few days and I'm going for a different look. So today I'm going to be creating a jumbo braid ponytail using Kanekalon synthetic hair. I'm going to start off by creating a part because I'm going to create a cornrow in the middle. Your part doesn't have to be straight, but it just has to be somewhat decent. So once you create your part, you want to take the rest of your hair and pull it out of the way. So next I'll be using some olive oil eco styling gel just to smooth out my edges. So now that the braid is completed, I'm going to go back in with some eco styling gel and focus on the front and the back of my hair because you really want a sleek look for this style. So now I'm going to be using a hard bristle brush just to lay down and smooth any humps that I may have because we're going for a really sleek look. And as I'm brushing, I'm pulling my hair up at the same time to create the ponytail to go right into the center of my head. Now it's time to create the ponytail. As you can tell, I'm just going to put it in the center of my head, and I'm only going to wrap the hair tie twice because I do not want a headache, and you know we need to protect those edges. So now I'm just going to go in and create a bun to tuck away my ends. I'm just going to be using a few bobby pins to secure it to keep it in place. Next, I'll be using a flexible hair tie. This is going to help me to create a drawstring. So you're going to take the hair and split it into two sections and take the scrunchie and put it underneath and create a knot. So once you create the knot, you're going to take that and you're going to wrap it around your bun. I'm going to be putting it on the opposite side because I will be flipping it onto the side that I want the braid to be on. So I'm literally just taking the hair and flipping it over, tucking it over the bun. So I'm just going to be taking a few bobby pins to make sure everything is nice and secure. And we are halfway there. Do y'all see them inches? Yes, slay. So now you just want to start braiding. To braid, you need 3 sections, and you want to braid loose because you want to create that jumbo look. So once you finish braiding, you just want to take a hair tie to secure the ends. Now this part is totally optional, it's up to you, but I love doing my baby hair, so I'm just going to be slaying these really quick, making sure that everything is nice and smooth. It really gives it that spicy, stylish look. And lastly, I'm just going to go in with some beaded jewelry to just dazzle it up and, you know, really make it look cute. I'm only going to use 2 of these. These are so inexpensive and these really make your hairstyle pop. And this is the finished look. Yes, new hair, who's this, honey? Yes, I don't know how to act right now. Everything is slayed. It's a protective style. You can keep this in for a few days and not have to do your hair. It's elegant if you're going out to somewhere fancy. Just slay the game, y'all. Just slay the game. Yes. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you beautiful people in my next video.